Today we're gonna try to make storage for single dose coffee shots. Basically, the idea is to use the test tube. This one is 25 by 150 mil. Borosilicate glass, I think it's called, with a rim. Yeah, there is a nice rim here. And wood cork stopper, this one number 11. I think they recommend number 10 for this particular tube, but I actually got number 11, so it doesn't go too deep and there's more space left for coffee. And as for storage, how much you can fit in a tube. So this particular roast is more on a darker side. It's like borderline medium/dark. The darker the coffee, the lighter it is. And the more you need to fit in a tube in order to make your 18 grams. So darker is more challenging to store basically in these containers. The tube with cork roughly 30 grams. And this is our 18 grams, I believe it should be 18 grams now. You can see how much space left for darker roast, 18 grams. If it's lighter roast, the beans are heavier and so it should take less space in the tube. To the setup, how I'm gonna do it. So right now I'm gluing two pieces of jar wood together. I roughly made some measurements and pre-drilled a little bit of holes. I'll do two of these, so it's gonna be 12 tubes total. Almost finished. This is a final, semi-final result, I guess. I'm gonna save this piece for later. So as you can see, they're a little bit different. I need to wait until I get the drill guide. It's actually pretty hard to drill perfectly straight holes for such a large diameter. To finish it, we'll just throw some food grade mineral oil and see the magic happens. Ooh. Watch this. Watch how the wood transforms. Again, this is Jara. Super nice. It's not too bad for the first try, but you can see it's not super aligned. Yeah, that's what the idea is, just to put it anywhere at the bottom. You see, you need to figure out the stoppers at the bottom, but it's not a big deal.